you know how much it hurt? Run without talk, run without touch, when it doesn't feel like we're even in love. It might